Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most often welcome. You know how we do it. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. Okay. Hey baby girls, hey bulls, how you guys doing? Guys, today I'm going to be cornrow my hair. I have an in-depth cornrow tutorial. I always leave it down below if you're interested. It's a kind of update-ish cornrow, okay? If you don't know how to, just grab yourself together and focus and practice, all right? To cornrow that I will do when I'm going out. This is what I always wear under my this is what I always wear under my wig, and yeah, I'm going out as well, so I decided just to quickly show you and how we do it. If you're interested, please just stick around and enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I grab my cornrow under my wig, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. As always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. Take care of this child. And also guys, bear in mind, in case you see my hair like this, I just had washed yesterday. I had my hair washed yesterday. Super healthy at the moment. She was healthy before, but last year it wasn't healthy at all. I was having a lot of breakouts, so all what I did, I just had to trim the weak one out, and now I'm really happy with the result. Why I've not been doing natural hair all this while. I really needed my hair to breathe so that it's not breaking out as I used to. I was already fed up. I wanted to cut it off, but Mama will not bring me to cut my hair off, so I just had to, you know, give her some breathing space and let her breathe and let her take a chill pill, like I always say. So yeah, that is the reason why I've not been doing my natural hair, and my scalp is super sensitive. Touching my hair with my bare hand is so hard to braid it. I do use my natural bare hand, but normally I always use hand gloves. Okay, they are still a little bit still wet because there was I washed it yesterday night before I went to bed, so I had to braid it into 3. So yeah, and I'm really loving my hair at the moment. I'm really loving my hair. Last year all my edges was gone, but now they are back like they never left, baby girl. You know how we do it. I'm looking so snatched this morning, even when there is no makeup. Anyways, what are we not swacking, darling? What are we not swacking? So let's just get onto this hair cornrow because I'm running late. I have 30 minutes. My hair normally took 20 to 30 minutes before I braid it, if I'm not really in a hurry to go out, or if I just really want to, you know, make it super the line to be super precise. But this one, don't worry, it doesn't really have to be neat because wig is covering the whole unprofessional lines, if that makes sense. But I have to remove my glasses because it's disturbing me. Just enjoy. I'm not going to be speaking through the process. Just enjoy the music at the background. Okay. But now that I'm gone, you want me back. And also guys, I'm not adding extra treatment because the treatment has already been applied yesterday. When I braid my hair, I don't apply treatment. I apply treatment when they are wet. When they are dry, no. And now they are half dry. They are not yet complete dry, so I only have to apply on the perimeter of my hairlines when I'm done with the cornrow. Quickly, let me update you guys for something that you guys don't know. When I really want to have an in-depth precise cornrow lines, I want the lines to be neat. This is the mirror normally I always use. I have one at my front, and with this I can look at my back, you know. So yeah, I don't want to show you the front because it's going to show everything right there, and I don't want you to see that. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I just hold it like this, then I have to look at my side. And yeah, this is super helpful for beginners if you want to know how to your lines. So I don't use this often because I think I master how my lines should be cut, so I don't really need this that much. I just need it once in a while. 8 or 6 or 8, okay, 6 or 8. Let's just see how it goes. So I'm going to start from this side
again. No, just trying. Oh, don't deny the fact that there's never less to you. I played the game but lost the bet. I don't wanna love.
I have my comb. I have to comb it with a big comb before. Alright, so this is not an in-depth, alright, so just watch me and practice. So I still have this one right here just to detangle everything so we don't have any tangling going on when we are braiding. Alright, I really need to put some towel on my body, if not, because I've already dressed up. I don't want to stain my shirt, you know. So I still have small one right here just to brush the front so that everything can look super well smooth. And I'm just going to pattern a little bit section at the front. So with that I'm going to start with this. So just watch me do. I'm going to braid into 3 just like so, then I start to braid. Okay. So when it gets to the end, I just kind of, you know, twist it together. Boom, boom, boom. We have the first cornrow already. So yeah, in between. So with that, I can really get straight to the back side, if that makes sense. So, and I believe it's okay because we are not doing fashion cornrow. We are just doing underneath braid, underneath cornrow for our wiggy. You know, we are wiggy junkies, so yeah. to be taking Vaseline. Okay, I always love to use Vaseline. Before I was using another one which is called Sulfate. That one is giving me too dry scars, so I stopped using it. Vaseline is my baby girl. She's everything for me. She does everything that I want her to do for me. Okay, so yeah, everything that I want. She does everything. This is how the back looks like. I'm just going to be taking a scrunchie.